my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply for an e-visa to Benin. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, e-visas are becoming popular. Every day, like everyone wants to apply e-visa if they have to. So it's good that Republic of Benin, which is also written in French here, is also offering this facility. So all right, so I have opened this official site. So before we go to the process, let's read about some. So this is for foreigners who want to visit the Republic of Benin. They can apply. Start date and validity. So it starts when you enter that you indicate in request. Okay, trip data. And this e-visa will be valid for 30 days or 90 days. Okay, when should I apply for e-visa? At least 7 days before your date of entry to Benin. Okay, however, it's not possible to apply more than 90 days before your date of entry to Benin. So now you know how long it is take. It's gonna take 1 hour to 96 hours. So like 1 to 4 days. Okay, now let's go to the home page. We got some questions cleared. Now you would like to fee, right? Know the fee. So we are gonna see. So for 30 days, 50 euros. For multiple entry, 75 euros. When you apply yourself, this is the fee. When you apply at the embassy, this is the fee. So some fee they have taken 10 euro extra for embassy charges. Okay, fine. But I don't think not every national is required. So let's see. Yeah. Let's find out who don't need this visa. Oh, it has gone to French, but I'm going to translate to English. Search here. Search for India. I can't find. African countries. Anyway, you can explore this link. That's okay. But I'll go back to the main link, and from there we will take it. So let's go to the application process because I know that's what you guys are interested in at this moment. So apply for an e-visa. So first it is asking you for an email address, confirming your email address, passport expiry date, and then it's gonna send probably some code. So we'll see that. I'm gonna do this step. So what happened, like an email was sent to the email account where the link was provided in order to verify your email address. Once you do that, it takes you over here. So group or family trip, I selected no, so individual, but if you are doing, click yes. And then you need to provide information for each and every traveler. As you can see, they have created, and you can add more travelers. But if you are doing alone, select no. Okay. So now it's asking your details, your last name. So I'm just gonna put some sample. First name, date of birth, just sample guys. Place of birth. So these details you can match from your passport. Country of birth, nationality, Other nationality, like if you have dual citizenship possible, profession, enter your profession, the phone number they have asked, home address. I'm just gonna put some sample. Country of residence. Next I go. Okay, visa kind, visa duration. So I select this one. If you're making this from an embassy, I select no, because that's how they're gonna calculate the fee. 50 euros, fine. Travel. Have you previous stayed there? No. Date of entry, yeah. Plan. So you remember, like between 7 to 90 days. So you are going on 15 April. For example, I select local address. I'm gonna put some sample, but you provide correct detail. Duration of stay, I select 23 days. Country of departure, let's say coming from India. Destination after leaving Benin. Means of subsistence, provide full information. And if you have any doubt, you can click on question mark and find out. Return guarantee, so provide that information. Details. Specify why you are going there. So if you're going for tourism, just do next. They have asked for your passport details. Some details they picked up from initially. Let me go for date of expiration. I'm just going to put a sample. Why can't I pick it up? Or date of issue, I'm sorry. That's why I was thinking. Okay, no worries, I'll put this. Expiry is already picked up. Okay, next. Okay, so after you put all the information, you can confirm and pay. And if you're not satisfied, you can edit it. So I'm not gonna go more than here, but you got the idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.